This exam application tutorial is on the topic of alkenes and alkanes. The question for 6 marks: polymers can be recycled, burned or buried in landfill sites. Evaluate these 3 methods. So what this is asking you to do is state the advantages and disadvantages of recycling, burning and throwing away plastics. So firstly, let's look at the idea of throwing away plastics. Plastics are non-biodegradable. That means they don't break down naturally. And the problem with that is this means they will remain in landfill sites for years, taking up space. Now let's look at recycling. By recycling plastics, we are putting less waste in landfill sites, so we can use it for other stuff. However, only some plastics can be recycled at the moment. Recycling plastics also requires energy for processing, so that's a disadvantage of recycling, as well as time to collect and sort. So whenever you have to discuss the disadvantages of recycling, just think, right, it requires energy, it takes time to collect and sort. Now let's look at burning. Burning plastics will reduce waste in landfill sites. So that's good, but not recommended because burning plastics releases toxic gases. You could drop one of these sentences and still get 6 marks. Or you could lump these 2 sentences in together as one long mark-worthy point.